It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic. A kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, I'm Mortice2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a 5-lever Mortice lock. I normally single pin pick rim cylinders, Euro cylinders, padlocks, etc. And I am actually a newbie myself to Mortice picking. So I thought I'd better pull my finger out and try and have a bash at them, because I've got this ICL pick set that I've never really used. I've played about and opened one or two with a bit of luck on my side. Did not get a key with this. You can see it's actually locked up. I've picked this one a few times, but as I say, it's been literally luck. But I'm just sort of starting to get to grasps with sort of the feel of the levers, etc. But I've still got a lot to learn regarding these. So let's have a go at getting this on video. And I literally start on each lever and just gently edge up a few mil. And once I feel them sort of getting a bit tighter, I then start sort of attacking the tighter levers in the stack. Whether I'm doing the right thing or not, I'm not sure. So any comments, hints and tips, please let me know. Plus the tension, I'm unsure exactly how much tension to apply. So I was unsure of the brand of this, but say kind mark on our UK Lock Sport forum said it's actually an era. We seem to get it to drop into the false gates. See, all of those now feel quite tight. Whether that's too much tension I'm applying, I'm not sure. Lever 1 is still quite loose. I'm getting slight movement on the tension each time I'm edging over these now. Whether or not it's going to fall into a false gate, more than likely will. Open. Yeah, I think when they were all quite sort of tight there, I literally set a lot of the levers, and we're just finding that one just to edge up and open the lock. So if you are newbies to lock sport guys, like I'm new to Mortice locks, please come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.